Are you a seller on Target Plus looking to boost your sales and increase revenue? Then you are in the right place. I am Sakif from Ecom Clips, and I'll tell you the proven strategies and actionable ways to increase sales on Target Plus. I will also reveal how it helps sellers to stay profitable. I can guarantee you will be able to increase your sales by 30 to 35% after watching this video. So whether you're just starting out or selling on long time, or you want to enter in this marketplace in the future, this video is gonna be very important for all of you. So hit subscribe to our channel to see all the significant growth in your profit. As an online marketplace, Target Plus has become very popular. If you have a great consumer products, you should think about selling on Target. Because as a seller, you can reach a large number of shoppers looking for quality products here. It is easier to showcase products and attract buyers on the platform. You also can benefit from high visibility and trust, and it has the opportunity to build a profitable and sustainable business. If you compare with other marketplaces, you can easily say Target stands out for a strong reputation and brand recognition. It has a strong, loyal customer base who trust the brand and are more likely to make purchase. Overall, Target Plus offers sellers a valuable opportunity to build and run a profitable business. It is a highly desirable marketplace for all sellers in 2024. How to increase your sale? You won't believe Target cares for its seller a lot. If you are a seller on Amazon, you already know their customer-centric policies. And as a seller, you have faced a huge level of ignorance. You might think that every e-commerce platform might be the same. But the Target is not like them at all. Yes, you can say that it is an invite-only platform. Not everyone is welcome here. Entering this platform is much harder than Amazon and many others. But the fun part is, if you are able to enter Target as a seller, there is a guarantee you can make minimum sales because the competition is very low. And this is a huge advantage for the sellers. Although sellers have some advantages here, they sometimes ignore some crucial points and get a lower number of sales than expectation. Maybe the content is not up to the mark and you will lose a huge number of sales because of it. I have seen many sellers ignore this part. Maximum sellers think like this way: Target has chosen me and I am making good sales. Oh, I must be lucky. But do you know there is no place for those items which don't make enough sales? If your item fails to make any sales in 120 days, Target will unlist your item. So be serious about your content. Remember, better content will lead you to a bigger sales. And the Target provides various resources to reach the expectation level. Also increase it even further. Now let's see how you can get these resources and use it to increase your sales. From your Target seller account, open the performance menu and click on the item inside. From this page, download report by clicking here. Now open the download file. Now this is your content scoreboard. Target provides this Excel sheet to every seller. It shows the content health, the scope to improve them. Here you will get a summary of your content health, and Target recommends your overall content score should be a minimum 80. If your score is below 80, that means you are in a danger. You have to keep at least 80. More than 80 is very good, but never should be lower than 80. Here you can see the overall content health for this seller is 81. That means he crossed the minimum recommendation. We are out of danger and we are expecting pretty good sales. But I want you to listen to this carefully. If you can increase your score from 81, then you can get near to 90. I can guarantee your sales will automatically jump 30% minimum. So if your score has crossed the minimum requirements, which is 80, don't celebrate yet. I know you are in a good position, but there are many things to do. There is a scope to increase your sales by 30 to 35%, and the high sales means high profit. And who doesn't want that? Here you can see Target analyzed over 2000 SKUs and gave a summary of how many products are affected by content health issue. Here are some high priority conditions. We have 1965 products with no reviews, 1000 2,784 products without a size chart, and 2,284 products do not have videos. There are some products that have unanswered questions, some have only one image, and few of them don't have feature bullet points. To improve the content health, you need to implement the best practices that Target suggested. Here you will find the suggestions in this file. Let's have a quick overview on it. Target recommends your listing should have a minimum of 3 images and more. Here they have mentioned guests convert 4 to 6 times higher than they interact with multiple images. Additional image can showcase the key features and provide size or scale context. This can increase guest confidence in purchasing and help by providing more item details. And Target is always serious about his guest questions. You are suggested to answer them within 48 hours. Guests who receives an answer within 48 hours are 11 to 13 times more likely to purchase. It is a huge increase of your profitability, so don't ignore it. Then you should have 8 reviews minimum, because review helps shoppers by providing them information and insights from other consumers who have already used the product. So positive reviews build trust, and potential shoppers provide social proof and help them make purchasing decisions. So more positive review means more sales. On Target.com, even one review can increase your sales by 2.5%. Now your long copy should have at least 50 words. Guests convert 13 to 17 times higher when they see a good long copy. Unique copy increase search ranking also. Long tail keywords account for 70% of your searches. Using this keyword can increase your organic ranking by 11%. Then you should have at least 4 to 50 feature bullets. Now the item size chart should be exist on the product detail page, and you should have at least one video. Then come to the number of attributes you completed. Next, you should have at least one rich media for product detail page, and at least one UGC means user granted content. So you can say these are the gold mines of increasing your sales. If you are able to apply them in your items, you can see visible increase in sales. Now what should you do? We have over 2,000 products. Some are missing videos, some do not have any reviews, some don't have enough images, and so on. Target provides detailed information for all of your products here in the item level details sheet. Let's break it down and see what are the actionable issues we have of any particular products and increase the content health. This is the detailed content health information for each of the product. If you look at the content health column, you will see it has 3 colors: green, yellow, and red. Green means the particular product has good content health and doing a fantastic job. Yellow means the content health is okay, but there are scopes to improve it more. There are red ones, these are having poor health. We must find the red items and see what's wrong with them and take necessary steps to improve them. You will be able to find them easily if you can sort them by cell color. Now look, after sorting we have all the items in poor conditions at the top. All of them have average 50 health rating. Let's see a breakdown for the particular item. If you look at the right side, you will see it has 1 unanswered questions. It has only 4 reviews. There is no size chart on its product detail page. Also no videos. Same for the rich media and user generated content. Now we have found some issues that haven't reached in the recommended level. We need to answer questions which have been ignored. We need to collect more reviews, and most importantly, we need to add the size chart and video. If we can do this, the health rating will increase. So, some way finds issues for the other items and make actions to solve them. Then you will see an increase in your overall health rating. And if we can move it higher than what we have right now, you will definitely see an increase in your overall sales. Now the question is, how much health rating do we need, or how much rating is the best? Well, there is no limit. Theoretically, the highest you can get is the 100. But particularly, it is not possible. You will rarely find a seller who crossed 90. I didn't even find anyone with more than 90. It is very tough. If you ask me, I would say try to reach as close as 90. If you have 80, well, it's not bad, but it can be better. If there is more possibility to increase your rating even by 1 point, well, just go for it. But never allow below 80. This strategy will increase your sales, no doubt. How to increase content rating? If you want to know how to solve any particular issue like how to get more reviews or where I can get the UGC or what is the requirement for a size chart, the good news is you will also find them in the file. For images, the best practice is having 3 or more images. And where to go? Target said work with your integrator to upload additional images. Same way, if you look for how to get more reviews, they said, hey, Bullseye is a sampling program that pulls your product in the hand of Target's most loyal guests in exchange for honest review on the target.com. These reviews can be collected pre-launch, which is a great way to launch a new product. So everything you need is the file. Just download the file and save it. Analyze it to find all the scopes that you can fix or do it and see how the sales are growing. So guys, this is all for today. Hope you guys got an insight direction to increase your sales and level up your e-commerce business to the next level. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And if you have any queries, then comment us or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.